And you know, I have idea for the name of this team.
Okay.
What if we are el bueno, el malo y el feo?
Okay.
What does that mean?
The good, the bad, and the ugly. The good, right?
That's pretty good. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but which one's the ugly one? Guys, which one's the ugly one? Guys.
Well, I can guess the answer to that. But anyway,
You go and tell him.
okay. Here we go with our next matchup, but we do want to talk about Hangman and the Trios Championship coming up in Mexico.
The following Trios contest is set for one fall. Introducing first, the team of Hazuki and the Brawling Birds.
Well, this ain't been of a reunion as Jamie Hayter and Hazuki were former members of Stardom's faction in Stardom back in 2019. And now, Hazuki teamed up with the Brawling Birds in this Trios match. Hangman and Page at one time was Trios champs, of course, with Jet Speed. Then they lost the Trios Championship, and Hangman, of course, went on to defend the World Championship, and he never had a chance to get that rematch. And now he's got a chance now to really become Trios champion once again. A rematch he never got, really.
Arena Mexico, no less as well. One of the most prestigious venues in all of wrestling.